summertime here and we stay on the go 99% of the time in the summer. I'm making a super simple recipe tonight that we call bird dogs. We'll get you whatever kind of chicken you like. Just make sure they're chicken strips and cook them in the oven as directed on the back. Once your chicken is done cooking, you'll get you some hot dog buns. You'll take some pickles and put some pickles in it. And then you drizzle Carolina Gold. And I'm going to do a little bit of ranch. You'll get your chicken strip and you'll put it in the hot dog bun. And there you have it. Bird dog. And you can drizzle more sauce if you need to.